Welcome to Daily Bible Benefits. Today is Tuesday, October 31st. On this day in 1517, legend has it that the priest and scholar Martin Luther approaches the door of the castle church in Wittenberg, Germany, and nails a piece of paper to it containing the 95 revolutionary opinions that would begin the Protestant Reformation. Today on the podcast, I'll be talking about Barnabas and Saul sent off. Acts chapter 13, verses 1 through 3. Now there were in the church that was at Antioch certain prophets and teachers, as Barnabas, and Simeon that was called Niger, and Lucius of Cyrene, and Manaen, which had been brought up with Herod the tetrarch, and Saul. As they ministered to the Lord and fasted, the Holy Ghost said, Separate me, Barnabas and Saul, for the work whereunto I have called them. And when they had fasted and prayed and laid their hands on them, they sent them away. A lifelong learner. In Teaching to Change Lives, Howard Hendricks tells about an 83-year-old Michigan woman he met at a Sunday school convention in Chicago. In a church with a Sunday school of only 65 people, she taught a class of 13 junior high boys. She had traveled by bus all the way to Chicago the night before the convention. Why, in her words, to learn something that would make me a better teacher. I thought at the time most people would have a class of 13 junior high boys and a Sunday school of only 65 would be breaking their arms to pat themselves on the back. Who, me? Go to a Sunday school convention? I could teach it myself, but not this woman. 84 boys who sat under her teaching are now in full-time vocational ministry. 22 are graduates of the seminary where I teach. Thank you for tuning in to Daily Bible Benefits. Have a good and godly day.